Hello guys, so I hope you guys like this show thing today, and this is going to be a deep dive show thing. Hold on guys, got to Chan. Okay, so hold on guys, this kinda takes long to bring this stuff. Okay, y'all are here, well goodbye now.
I don't think we are going to in this really. What do we do, Pinkhole?
Oh well, we can't do anything. Ariel will get hurt and he forgot that. Oopsie, I'm going to just watch Yalto. Well bye guys.
Okej, Veldin joutel neskje jourtviet innotlokin klikittease jourtreping kmeotashetsk.
Vellit is becausa I mistri kulikev ist hiseven hard format o even get to se trinkrinkt wchad do joutchinka bo utkis.
Velike nottonaka joufeling tchurtaran tching butliket heiver velman for norason in the last part of the show.
Och vellicant bemad becausa of tchatlike I site I cantreal bemad becausa starlet mademet oberhil notabule real so.
Guys, I think we should start the game now really. What do we it is so dark but looks different from the other episode that gave us the creeps really.
Yeah, it is just like the same. It is so weird and so crazy, so it is weird.
What I agree to, really. I think this all the same. We just have to make sure we don't get out of the show in a different way. Real.
Yeah, we got this, let's go. What are these guys? Can anyone understand the what about you?
Well, think it is like one of those monsters that could get us and kill us really if we don't fight them.
So we need to see if there is a shop here to give us weapons, so hurry up guys and run. Look, there is a shop, let's keep walking and go inside for to see what they got inside of it for us before the monsters come back here. Everyone, here are some now. Everyone get them to kill the monsters when they come, alright. Good job guys, we did it, yay!
Hey guys, nice job. Now I guess I can bring you back home, okay? Good job. I am so very happy for y'all because they would have came here and that will be scary really much, so thanks. Well, that is it, and thanks viewers too, and thanks for subbing to my channel as well. Thanks, y'all really helped me a lot on that.